Go ahead.
Alright, come stand right here. Let me take the picture.
There you go, guys. Lahat ng mga bahay dito may mga, ang tawag nito, Christmas light. They do this every year. Dinadayo to ng mga tao minsan. Ayan, umiikot lang, nagda-drive sila. O yung iba naglalakad. Asa na kaya yung mga anak ko? Iniwan na ako. Ayan, si Mr. Grinch. There you go, guys. It says Kapayapaan. Ah.
Oh, I see.
Like Ilocano.
She's work with them now for my current job, so I was actually just.
There you go, yung mga sasakyan umiikot lang sila minsan.
You're so nabad. Nabad. Who's like a bit? Somali. I like how there's none.
This is a rabbit.
That's a rabbit.
I like all the animals on their yard though.
There you go.
That's a rabbit.
Say hi, you guys. Trillion, wanna say hi?
Hey,
Where's your brother?
I'm right here.
Say hi, baby. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all who's watching. Oh, hey, folks.
It says space. It's slippery. You have to be careful, baby.
I know.
I almost,
Tripped.
yeah. There you go, guys. Ayan, tapos na, naikot na natin lahat yung mga bahay. Merry Christmas ulit sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Merry Christmas. Be sure to like this video.